Rolling up in style, unraveling the meaning. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or everyday conversations. Roll up in style. This phrase is not just about arriving, it's about making a statement. So, buckle up as we explore the essence of this stylish expression. Roll up essentially means to arrive at a location, and when you add in style to it, it transforms the meaning significantly. In style implies doing something with elegance, flair, or impressive sophistication. So, when someone says they roll up in style, they're not just talking about getting to a place. They're talking about arriving in a way that captures attention and leaves an impression. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Let's look at a few. 1. Social events. If someone says, "I'm going to roll up in style to the party," they might be planning to arrive in a luxury car, wearing designer clothes, or with an attractive entourage. 2. Professional setting. In a business context, rolling up in style could mean arriving at a meeting with a well-prepared presentation, dressed in a sharp suit, exuding confidence and professionalism. 3. Casual outings. Even for a casual meetup, one might roll up in style by arriving on a trendy new bicycle or sporting the latest fashion. The phrase, roll up in style, reflects more than just physical appearance or mode of transportation. It's deeply rooted in cultural narratives that associate style with status, confidence, and the human desire to express individuality. In movies, music, and literature, characters who roll up in style often symbolize success, charisma, and the boldness to stand out. Roll up in style isn't just about the act of arriving. It's about making a memorable entrance with grace and confidence. Whether it's through fashion, vehicles, or attitude, rolling up in style is about expressing your unique identity and leaving a lasting impression. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase to describe not just how you arrive, but also how you choose to present yourself to the world. Keep rolling, keep styling, and see you in the next video.